best VPN is WinRAR. Ask Faison about it. He has a VPN that gets connected. So just use that. Trust me, it's been working. I just completed my second. Let's check it out.
Perfect.
Real quick. Look, almost done. 4,440.
Perfect.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ish here. Welcome back to the vlogs, guys. These Forex traders need to be stopped, bro. I'm pissed at these Forex traders.
Logged in.
Mother yucker. You can't script these. I promise you. You can't script these. Look, come here, quick. What does that say, buddy? 350. So, I don't make this stuff up, My sales team just makes money on autopilot. We make money here, okay? We don't play around. We don't try to sell you freaking courses and all this stupid stuff. We make money here, okay? But what I'm trying to break down is these Forex traders need to be stopped, guys. No one's talking about this. Why is the baby performing at their Forex events? I don't know. We gotta figure out, is this a record label or is this an actual freaking educational platform? All these Forex traders are pretending like they make thousands, hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars, bro. Everyone in their Instagram bio has digital entrepreneur, binary options, crypto trader nowadays, but they don't even freaking know anything about crypto. Anyways, guys, let's get into the video and let's go. Alright guys, real quick, I have a few things I need to talk about, just real quick. So we're planning a team dinner on Sunday, but Sunday, the place that we're going to is closed. I don't know, man. They're not open on Sundays. So we have two options. We can go on Monday and then go to our shift after the dinner, or we can work on Sunday and Monday will be off for us, but we can go to dinner and then you go home after. What do you guys want? You guys understand?
Yeah.
So Monday's working or Sunday's working?
Monday's working is good.
So you want to work on Monday, eat, go to the dinner, and then come to the shift?
Yeah.
You good for that?
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I think it's good. Okay. Zane?
That's perfect.
Other than that, I have two things I need to tell. Operations team and sales team. I want to give you two different type of reports that I want you to fill out every week. It'll be every Monday or every Friday. I don't know what day yet. This will basically have us structure everything. Because I don't know how much money we're spending on followers. I don't know how much money we're making. These are the kind of things I want to see, like, weekly reports. So I'll talk to Moz about it as well. So we'll all get an understanding of how everything is working. I made a list of things that I want you guys to include in the report. It'll be really good for us. And it'll help us understand the business better. So I'll give you guys that stuff right now. Other than that, guys, new interns coming. Let's get to work. Let's go. Forex trader or Schmorex schmader? Guys, listen. These guys are such good pyramid schemers. I swear to God, I feel like they built the freaking Egypt pyramids, okay? That's how good they are at pyramid scheming everything. So pretty much right now, guys, we're gonna break down the topic in hand today. Why are Forex pyramid schemers the scammiest people on the internet, okay? So let's break it down. Personally, I have nothing against Forex people. They're good people, Don't try to flex this lifestyle and don't try to flex your bank account statements and with Photoshops and all this stuff, just trying to get people to join your Forex group, your wealth club, fill in the blank here, okay? I'm tired of this nonsense and I'm gonna be the one to put a stop to it. Whether you guys like it or not, I have to keep talking about this kind of stuff because it's just ridiculous at this point, ladies and gentlemen. We need to get to the bottom of it and we need to figure out why they're doing this stuff and who are they doing it for. So let's get into it, okay? So I came across this Instagram account that's pretty much exposing pyramid schemes and Forex traders, and I love it. I've been watching all their content. It's amazing because they literally explicitly say in the videos, chairmans and all these Forex traders are saying that they are scamming people, bro. They're not even doing trading. They're actually just trying to recruit people. So this is hilarious stuff. Let's break it down, guys. Okay, guys, let's get into it. There's this video right here I really want you guys to see. It's hilarious. It's pretty much just breaking down that these guys are using demo accounts. You'd swear that it was just turned New Year's, bro. These guys literally, look at these guys. You think these guys are literally trading Forex correctly? They're throwing gang signs like it's a freaking music video for 6ix9ine, bro. Like, what the freak is going on? Okay, so like, I'm gonna break it down to you guys. What they're pretty much saying right here in these videos is that it's a pyramid scheme. It's pretty much what they're saying in these videos, guys. It's pretty much fake. Okay, they're using demo accounts. What demo accounts basically mean are these accounts aren't real. It's called paper trading. It's pretty much simulated trading in the same market that's actual real time. They're just trading it like pretty much simulated with like fake money, is what you could say. And it's hilarious, like all these guys, and you can see on the top, I'm not sure, I don't see it in this video, but in the normal like, you know, trading, crypto trading, or in the normal Forex trading graphs, there's like a little red bar on the top and it pretty much says demo account. And you can tell when someone's trading the freaking fake accounts. And I think that they caught these guys in one of their Instagram stories that they're flexing these accounts that had red bars on the top that are literally demo accounts. So it's just icing on the cake, guys. You know, all these guys, you know why they're celebrating? They're not celebrating because they made money. They're celebrating because they're gonna freaking scam all the other people that are gonna watch their stories and get these people to come to their Instagram account to ask them, yo bro, how are you making this money, bro? They're gonna say, how'd they make $3,000 on this account, bro? I wanna join too. And then they're gonna get them to recruit on their, you know, freaking Forex team, and then they just keep repeating the process. God's sake, they're such scammers, bro. Why do you trust these guys? Why? This guy's chairman 50. That means he brought in like 5,000 people to his little you know, freaking under pyramid scheme. This guy, you're listening to this guy. He's saying it in front of your faces, and you guys still are joining Forex groups and listening to your little Forex mentors. Like, come on, bro. At this point, it's kind of like just sad. It's embarrassing. It really is. Like, these guys really think that like they'll sell you crazy lifestyle when they're literally lying to your faces. Oh my god, dude, this is freaking hilarious. Look at these guys. This is so fun. You heard it himself, bro. Listen to your mentors. If your mentor is telling you to put a spoon in your mouth and carry an egg, you need a new mentor, bro. Join this mentorship and I'll help you out, you know. This is just literally embarrassing. If I got recorded doing this video, I would literally, like, you know, leave the country. Why? Like, look at this. This is sad. This is bullying. This is literally bullying, bro. This guy in the glasses, I know for a fact. This guy in the glasses sells Forex signals. For a fact, bro. I just know it. The girl on the left, you see this girl with the water bottle? Bro, this girl goes on live streams every morning to her 5 Instagram followers that watch her live stream views and talk about mindset and manifestation. I already know these guys. I've probably seen them on my Instagram feed, bro. It's not hard to find these guys. I promise you. But yeah, so like, you know, the key to success, you know, is holding a spoon in your mouth and, you know, carrying an egg. You know, once you do that, you'll be a millionaire. I promise you, bro. Trust me. Join my Forex group. Look at this, bro. Look at, oh, this was great. Oh, what the frick, bro. Wow. I never seen this one before. They're walking in a circle like they're doing some kind of ritual. And, you know, they're praying to the Forex gods, bro. Give me money, man. I'm Brazilian. I am Brazilian. They're probably Brazilian too. I probably don't know this, okay? The thing about these kind of little, like, you know, groups, these little power groups or these little masterminds, they don't teach you trading. The one thing you're there for. They don't teach you that stuff. Why would you go to this, bro? If I wanted to go run around a pool, you know, I would go to one of the community pools and probably, you know, play tag with the little kids, bro. That's what I would do. I'm not going to go to a Forex event to walk around a pool in the freaking broad day and talk about how resilient I am, okay? I want to cry right now because I find it ridiculous that people actually still buy into this stuff. Like, after watching these videos, like, don't you guys understand that, like, this stuff is ridiculous? You can, you know, walk around the pool all you want, but is that really going to help you become a profitable trader? Like, I don't think so, and it doesn't take a rocket scientist to figure out that, you know, walking around pool doesn't equal $1 million, okay? You know, the fact that these guys don't even teach Forex. You know, I went to a Forex event, I made a video about it recently, and, you know, I took a Lamborghini out to the Forex event, and I just documented my experience. It was maybe a 3-hour lecture. Not one time did they mention trading. Not one time, bro. They mentioned about some guy was talking about like you have to tap into your inner spirit, bro. I was like, what the frick is going on? Me and my friends were literally dying because we just went there for the trolls, honestly. You guys should definitely watch that video, it's hilarious. But what I'm trying to explain is that 9 out of 10 times they don't even talk about trading. They don't even mention trading. They just literally have a group, and it's just a cool thing to do, you know? It's just a cool thing. Oh yeah, I'm a Forex trader. Oh yeah, I'm an IML. Oh yeah, I'm a digital trader. There's a new thing coming out right now. It's called digital trader. These guys love the word digital trader. If you see digital trader in someone's Instagram bio, block them and run away. I'm giving you guys a favor, bro. Just block them and run away. Your life will be 10 times happier without them in your, Instagram feeds. I promise you that. Anyways, guys, that's enough roasting for now. I just find it hilarious. As an actual business owner, I don't have to hide anything. My business just got appraised for 7 figures. These kind of things actually are hilarious to me. And I'm never going to stop reacting to them because I always know there's going to be something bigger and better in this Forex community. That's just going to make it more funnier for me to react to. Anyways, guys, God's sake, bro, this Forex trade is crazy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you watching to the end. These freaking Forex traders piss me off, bro. I will literally invite any Forex trader to my podcast to come and debate me on if Forex trading and these IML pyramid schemes are, worth it or not, okay? If any Forex trader is watching this and wants to debate me, I'll happily get you on my podcast and love to have a conversation with you. Other than that, guys, thank you so much for watching. It's Ish, and I'm out. Peace.